Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Indah Nuriani. In this video, I will explain about Duolingo application. Number 1, description about the application. Duolingo is the world's most popular language learning platform and most downloaded educational application with over 500 million users. The company's mission is to make education free, fun, and available worldwide. In addition, Duolingo is also a smart application designed to help students in different language learning process that is packed in a modern way and prioritize the convenience of the reader. Duolingo application is included in the category of mobile learning, where learning utilizes mobile device or smartphones. According to George et al., says that mobile learning refers to a learning process that is supported by the use of realized mobile device technology with the characteristic of its users being students who do not have to physically meet each other in the same place as in a classroom, interaction room, or training place. In study, the students have mobile device as part of their daily routine. Duolingo itself was developed by Louis and his partner Severin Hacker, founded Duolingo in 2009 and published in 2012. At its initial release, Duolingo only offered English, Spanish, and French. However, along with its development, Duolingo has now provided 99 different language courses and is available in 23 language. Okay, number 2, how to use it. Next, first, download Duolingo application on Play Store. Just like downloading application in general on the Play Store, you can directly type Duolingo in the search file. Once open, you can click install on the side of the application section. Wait for the application to finish installing. If it is already installed, you can directly create an account or log in if you already have an account. Second, choose the French language you want to learn. After successfully creating an account, you will be faced with a choice of the language you want to learn. As in the picture above, there will be several choices of French language from various countries such as English, Arabic, Mandarin, French, and many other choices. If you already know what language choice you want, you can just click on the language section. Next, the reason for choosing the foreign language. For the third step, you will be present with the reason why you choose that language. In my opinion, this might make it easier for you to master a French language according to the desired goals. For example, you will choose a student reason, maybe at the time of learning the material to be studied will be related to the world of students. Likewise, if you choose to travel, maybe you will be direct to learn to prepare yourself when traveling to other countries. And then, choose a learning target. For this section, you can choose how much time you want while the learning takes place. There are several time duration options available, ranging from casual, serious, and crazy. Leisure time is 5 minutes a day. Normal time is about 10 minutes a day. Serious time is 50 minutes a day. And crazy time is 20 minutes a day. Oh yes, friends, don't be surprised because later this Duolingo application will often remind you to study. And next, course start fact. Why is there this course before starting to learn? Because the course of this fact can direct you for those who are beginners or who can already know a little French language, but it is recommended that for those of you who are still beginners in learning French language, it is better to choose the just start learning. Why? Because you will really learn from the basic, so you will not get confused at the time of further material. However, if you choose the I understand a little, you also still have to be tested, so Duolingo can know how far your abilities are. If so, congratulations, you can immediately learn with the Duolingo application easily and for free. Next, number 3, what it is for what level? Starting from the basic level, which contains vocabulary and short sentence in the form of the simple Fasilium. If the basic level has been complete, we can process to the advanced level material, where in this advanced level material the format is not much different from the basic level material. However, at this level there is no more vocabulary recognition, but we will be present with a task to compose word by word based on the request Indonesian sentence. And number 4, advantage and disadvantage. Advantage: first, the process of using the application that will adjust to capabilities. Second, user can choose beginner or advanced features. Third, user can also set weekly targets. This will also determine the level of intensity of the learning material. And next, the learning content that will be present, it also quite diverse and fun. And next, the material is not only in the form of text but also audio and visual that are packed almost like a game that feel playful. And last, not only focus on word translation but also grammar, which is explained and end on the material. And then disadvantage. First, sometimes the sentence used in the application are still rarely used in communicating in everyday life. Second, the application still does not provide features to communicate between users. Third, the application has lots of ads. Okay, number 5, review the application. It can be concluded that this application is highly recommended to be used for those who want to learning a French language with the features of the Duolingo application, which are very interesting, so that it can make user feel like playing and will be enthusiastic in learning French language. In addition, this application also has several advantages and disadvantages. Okay, thank you and sorry for any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.